Guys are out to make the country proud. We start off with a pair of reinforcements for the national women's volleyball team training pool. PSL stars Ces Molina and CJ Rosario are joining the group as they prepare for the 29th Southeast Asian Games in Malaysia in August. Their addition comes after veteran middle blocker and pool member Dindin Santiago Manabat injured her knee in the PSL Invitational last month. Molina and Rosario both play for the Petron Blaze Spikers. Molina is also one of just 7 Filipinas who played for the country in the FIVB Women's Club World Championships late last year. I got to speak with Molina and she says she will do her best to officially be part of the national team.
I was really happy dahil napili ako or nadagdag ako dun sa pool. And syempre, masaya din talaga na binibigyan ako ng trust, lalo na sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, yung mga international and national na mga magko-compete para sa team and para sa Pilipinas. I will do my best para makapasok and itatry ko talaga na makapasok dahil siyempre dagdag yun sa experience ko, dagdag yun sa sarili ko. And gustong-gusto ko talaga din na makipaglaban na sa Pilipinas and para sa Pilipino. Yun naman yung gusto ko.
The final list of players for the national team pool will be officially announced on April 28th.